Hi, I'm Michael with Mayo Tree Service here in Pensacola, Florida. We are a highly rated professional tree service, and we have the equipment and the experience to safely remove your trees. We also would like to offer our wonderful customers here in Pensacola the service of not only cutting down your trees, but also milling them into lumber that can be used to build shelves, barns, fences, you name it. Tables, shelves. So we want to do a little small video here just to show you the capabilities that we have. We have a Woodland Mills HM 130 Max. So that means we have the capability of milling a 30-inch diameter log. So not 30-inch round, but 30-inch diameter. So basically it's about almost 30 inches wide. So we're going to go ahead and do a demonstration here. This is a lovely looking pine tree that we cut down here over off of Spanish Trail, and we're going to use the lumber. We're hoping to use it to build a brand new chicken coop for my beautiful wife. So hope you enjoy the video and hope you enjoy the process. All right, I'm going to crank this thing up.
All right.
I've always wanted to make good use of the trees that we're cutting down, and now we're finally going to be able to. So I think I'll just shove this. Ooh, that's a big old piece of wood. Look at this, babe. It's actually going to make a nice looking little shelf or something. Look at that. See if I can get it off of here. Oh yeah, look at that, Mom. Look at that knot. See that there? Oh, it's beautiful. Babe, this would make a nice looking floor. My shirt recording? Okay. All right, so this is our first piece that we just cut. And this is just the edge piece do with this thing, but it turns out it's absolutely beautiful. So even just the top edge of the log turns out to be a nice shelf or something. I mean, it's going to be amazing. So look at our log we got over here. We're going to probably cut one more slab here. What do you think, Mom? Maybe cut one more slab?
Mm-hmm.
And then after that, we could turn it on its side and try to cut off the other edges so that we can get some kind of square-ish lumber here. It's going to be really cool. Okay. All right, so we recently invested in a sawmill, and we wanted to take y'all along for the ride here. We're here in Florida, and there's not really that many people doing sawmill out where we're at. So it's actually working out pretty good because I pretty much have an endless supply of logs, and instead of just burning them or throwing them away, we're going to make something out of them. And one of the first things I'm planning on building is a chicken coop, and this is my first really big log going to mill. So it's, I don't know, if I had to guess, I'd say it's about 22 inches across or something like that. That's a pretty big honker though.